Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Bluetooth game controller easy method step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring your Bluetooth game controller is fully charged. Locate the power button on the controller and turn it on. If your controller has a pairing mode, press and hold the designated button until the indicator light starts flashing. Next, grab the device you wish to connect the controller to, such as a smartphone, tablet, or computer. On that device, access the settings menu. Look for the Bluetooth option and tap on it to open the Bluetooth settings. Ensure Bluetooth is enabled if it is not already turned on. Wait for your device to search for available Bluetooth devices. Once the search is complete, locate your game controller in the list of available devices. Tap on the name of your controller to initiate the pairing process. If prompted, confirm the pairing by entering any necessary PIN or code, typically 0000 or 1234. Once connected, you will see a notification indicating that the controller is successfully paired. To test the connection, open a compatible game or app. Use the controller to navigate and ensure it is functioning properly. If you encounter any issues, try turning off and on the Bluetooth on your device. You can also reset your controller by following the manufacturer's instructions. Feel free to repeat the pairing steps if needed. Enjoy your gaming with the newly connected Bluetooth game controller. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.